I done preparing my nails. Now applying dehydrator. You need a very important step in your nails before making any acrylic nails. Make sure you don't touch your skin with this thing, because if you touch, it's gonna hurt and burn a lot. So I'm gonna wait for my nails to get dry. So I'm gonna have a sip of coffee. So nails are dry. Now this is called nail foam. You can use nail puppet as well, but I'm using nail foam because I have a habit of this thing. You make it a little wiggly thingy in that so it can turn into a nail shape. First I'm gonna do my thumbnail. You have to be very careful and precise while putting this inside. Make sure there is no gap in between your fingers and this nail. So I'm done putting my nail foam. You can see it's stuck between your nails. There is no space, have to be here, and it's have to have according to your nail or your finger size. Now we're gonna put my poly gel. I have a one white color and when I have a pink. I'm thinking to do pink one right now because I need to show you guys this. So it's look like these. And directly I'm gonna apply this on my nails. So this much I'm gonna take, and it just except a pearl, or you can say a pea size. And this is the brush. It's just like some product stuck here. I can't do anything. And you just want to dip that in a slip solution a little bit. It had to be a little bit, and you start making your nail. You just had to press it down gently. And you start building up. You can see that the shape is building now. I want kind of square almond shape, so I'm gonna flow in that way. If you feel like the product is less, you can take a little more. So you can see I had like small size of a product I took, and this part it's still looking leftover, so I'm gonna take some more. I'm gonna start building again the same thing, the thickness the way I want. And this is very easy, guys. If you don't have that slip solution with you, you can use nail polish remover as well. So you can see it's like start showing up the nail size and the shape as well. And I'm gonna make it a straight because I want stiletto almond nails. I'm gonna make it a little bigger. As you saw, my nails are already kind of big, but I need a little more You don't need to be precise over this thing, because you can see it's like gonna tell me like this is not so sharp or good. But yeah, I will work on it. As you see, I'm done preparing my nail bed. And this kind of looks like a not in a perfect shape, but it is there. So now we're gonna cure it with this tiny UV light I have. You have to wait for a second. It's the 60-second one, so almost 1 minute I have to wait. It's gonna get a hardened like 80%. Then I'm gonna prepare more. As you see, this is prepped and this is hard as well, so I'm gonna remove this. And again, one more time, I'm gonna take some product and I rebuild this thing so it's got a little stronger. As you can see, I just took some more product and I built my nails properly. You can see the shape as well, and the thickness is like probably 2 mm, I guess, so I'm not sure. And now I'm gonna make it cure again, and then I'm gonna show you the result. After doing this thing, once these nails are cured, I'm gonna start shaping it the way I want and the thickness as I want. You don't need any kind of machine with that. I'm just gonna do it with a fiber. Just I need to wait for 60 seconds. So this is got cured. Now I'm gonna file it with my nail filer. This is 100 crochet here and 180 here. I'm gonna use side 180 to file this thing up. So as you can see, I'm done giving shape to my nail. I'm just gonna clean it a little bit so powder will go away. And as you can see, I used my two products. One was pink, one was white. So it's kind of looking ombre color. Now I'm gonna do rest of my finger like that as well, and I come back to you. So here I am, guys, completing my nails with my one hand. As you can see, it's looking kind of ombre that I'm trying to do with the process is done. So now I'm gonna just put top coat on my nails and we'll see the result of how it's looking. So this is Monterey I'm using since long. This is more reliable to me. I use it a lot. And this is my tiny UV light. And I'm gonna cure my nails after putting this top coat. Sorry, first I'm gonna put this base coat that I did in. So Let's apply the base coat and see the result, how it's looking. So I'm done making my nails, and you can see all looking kind of ombre. I just tried in this one nail my Born Pretty base coat before this, and I tried. You can see it's very shiny, so I'm gonna rest off nails. I'm gonna put my Born Pretty base coat and I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. I'm just cure it for 60 seconds and then we'll see the result, how it's looking. I have an LED light. You can use UV light as well. If you are using a UV light, you have to use for 2 minutes. This LED at 60 seconds is fine. So as you see, it's done. I'm just gonna quick wipe it with a nail polish remover so any sticky surface will go away. And here it is, the result. My nails are done. You can use any kind of nail polish or anything, any paint or any design if you want to do on this. I like to keep it like this, clear. It's look more classy and I love it. If you like it, do make sure comment, like, show some love and subscribe.